Welcome, friends. Getting your kids involved in the kitchen has so many great benefits, whether that's adding to quality time spent together, mealtime memories made, or learning better food choices. Let's explore how Pampered Chef can help.
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
Meal prep is a naturally fun and educational activity for kids, so start them young. Links to the products in this video can be found in the description. Let's start with the Pampered Chef Kids Cookie Baking Set. It comes with kid-tested and approved food prep tools and 4 recipe cards. What a fun way to get kids started in the kitchen. Making brownies in the Brownie Bite Pan is great for kid-sized portions. Pampered Chef offers a brownie mix, so you don't need to start from scratch. Donut holes are always fun, and there are so many healthy recipes available. Pampered Chef offers a tasty donut mix. The donut hole pan can also be used to make other items, such as meatballs. The mini loaf pan is also a great size for kids. Check out this mini banana bread loaves recipe. How about some breakfast fun? Check out the waffle stick pan and the tasty pancake and waffle mix. Snack time can be a challenge, but when kids can make their own healthy choices, it becomes a snap. The Pampered Chef Snack Bar Maker Set is perfect for snack time. Here's a no-bake granola recipe to get you started. As your child learns about food prep, you can start giving them some tips on substitutions they can use in their recipes to make them more nutritious and healthy. What a gift this becomes to your child for a lifetime. So start them young with Pampered Chef. I'm always here to help with suggestions to your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit to your health and wealth.